Okay, so let's check out this house, this sidewalk here. They just sold this house, and they called a so-called professional, and this was done like 2.5 weeks ago, which is really, 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 really sad. And I want to show you not only this one, but another one that was done by another company, and right across the street. Hold on a second, and I'll show you. Let's look at this right here, over here, just for the hell of it. Now this is a company that said that they're a professional. It's not bright, it's not clean, and it's all burnt. Let's show you the other one. Okay, so this one was done by another company, not the same one, and this one was done about 4 weeks ago, and it's the same thing. It's so bad. They really just burnt the you know what out of it. It's actually, you could feel the lines in it that is burnt so bad. Let me show you one that I did 2 years ago. Hold on a second and let me show you. I'll walk over here and I'll show you one that we did 2 years ago. You ready for this? Now this is 2 years now. Here's the difference. How bright mine is 2 years later. 2 years later. I mean, it's got a lot of marks on it from the cars and bikes and the kids, but how bright that is 2 years later. This is why you call professional, guys, because this compared to this over here is not even close, not even the same. So what would you rather pay for? Pay 80 bucks for this cleaning and get this, or pay me 80 bucks and get a driveway and sidewalk that's nice bright white and last you near 2 years? It's very simple. It's called value, quality, professionalism. 561-907-9541. And we're going to give you the best quality work, period. Not stuff like this over here. This is just atrocious. It's not even clean. This is not even clean, guys. Look at this. This is not clean. This looks worse than if it was totally black. I would rather have this totally black than to have these disgusting, nasty lines on there, and then it's burnt. And the problem is down the road, you see over here, this is burnt. You can put your hand across that and feel those gouges in there. And when you clean this, if I clean it, it'll be bright white, but you'll still have those burn marks in there because somebody used on this one a small turbo nozzle, and it's disgusting. Why would you pay for this? I have no clue. But I mean, geez, look at, I mean, this is not even trying. Look at this, how bad this is, guys, seriously. Anyway, 561-907-9541. See you all soon.